Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in REANIMAL game. So without wasting any time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on REANIMAL game and then select properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first and then just restart the game because changing require the restart of the game. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then again go to the game properties and go to controller tab and this time here select enable Steam input and then just restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter key. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller is working in REANIMAL game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on REANIMAL game, then select properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So first of all, close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the REANIMAL game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run the Steam as an admin and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in REANIMAL game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.